How was Nesyamun's voice recreated? Nesyamun, also known as Nesyamun True of Voice, was an ancient Egyptian priest and scribe who lived during the 19th dynasty of the New Kingdom period, around 1250 BCE. He served as a priest at the Karnak Temple complex in Thebes, modern-day Luxor. What sets Nesyamun apart is his well-preserved mummy and the unique inscription found on his coffin. The phrase, true of voice, implies that Nesyamun was believed to possess the ability to speak truthfully and effectively, both in life and the afterlife. In 1823, Nesyamun's mummy was discovered in the tomb of Sheikh Abd el-Qurna, located on the west bank of the Nile near Luxor. In recent years, researchers embarked on a groundbreaking project known as the Nesyamun True of Voice project. The goal of the project was to recreate Nesyamun's voice using a combination of 3D printing technology, CT scans, and electronic larynx devices. By analyzing the dimensions and structure of Nesyamun's vocal tract, researchers were able to create a 3D printed vocal tract replica. This replica was then connected to an artificial larynx device, which produced sounds by passing air through an artificial vocal cord. The resulting sounds were combined with vowel sounds produced by a professional voice actor, resulting in a synthesized approximation of Nesyamun's voice.
Go.
Subscribe to our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.